guys.
Hi! Hi guys, welcome to Chairs
and Benches.
I'm Nayoka.
And I'm Brittany.
And here on Chairs and Benches, we give an informed perspective through entertainment. So if you're new here, go ahead and smash the
subscribe button.
Yeah, smash the subscribe button. Yeah.
What are you guys up to?
We're planning an outdoor video, finally. You know, that's what you guys have been asking for.
Yeah, so what we're planning on doing, guys, is that we're gonna act as if we have an implant somewhere in our forehead, and we're gonna try to pay for certain items that I really need. I'm gonna try to pay for it with our forehead and see how people will respond and how they'll react. I know in Jamaica or certain parts of the world, people would be really freaked out by this because this is not a good sign. But you know, since this COVID thing, enough differences happening, enough changes, and we want to see if these people will just adjust to this idea or if they're gonna be shocked.
So you guys want to see how Canadians react, I guess.
Yes. Yeah.
Nice.
Should be interesting.
I know. Well, so let's go.
Let's go.
Battery?
You don't want battery, don't like from a
Oh
sky.
yeah. You probably have
It's probably the behind the double.
Yeah.
Hi, do you guys have the new chip service? I have a chip inserted in my head. Do you guys have that service here? No? Since COVID, they now have us have implants.
I'm not sure about that.
Hello.
3:30. Do you guys have the new payment method? I just got the chip implant in my head. Have you ever heard of it? The implant a chip in your head and you can pay with it.
Anything else?
No.
So that means are you going to touch your forehead to my machine?
Yeah. I think it's an interact. Do you think it will work?
I don't think so. You can try.
Okay. I hope so. It's a lot of money.
Work?
Do you guys have the implant service? I just got an implant in my forehead. Yeah, implant. Like I got a chip in my forehead to pay. You never?
We don't have that.
No? I think it's like Interact. Can you try Interact? I'm just gonna tap my head on here and it might work. I just got it recently. So is it Interact? Yeah. What?
Damn
Yeah.
it. Okay. That's
You
right.
never heard of it before? Not working.
No, I don't think we're set up for that yet.
Really, management should know about it. It's the new payment method.
I don't think we're set up for that. Here we are with the watch and the phone.
The watch and the phone.
Yeah.
Interact. You want to try tap?
Try what?
You want to see if it will work with the tap? Okay, I'm gonna use my forehead. Okay.
Hey.
Okay. Oh.
Oh my God, it does work.
It worked?
Yeah.
Wow. Good. Do you think about it? It's the chip in your head implant.
In your head?
Yeah, I just got it recently. Did you hear about it?
No.
No, I've never heard about it until now.
I think it's since COVID.
Cool.
I think it's since COVID. It's like a new thing.
We just pay from the chip that you could have
Nobody
as an
can do
implant.
your card or.
Yeah. Yeah, you just. Yeah.
Wow.
You guys should get it. Research it on Google. Is it expensive?
Yeah, it is.
Yeah.
It's an implant. It's like a minor surgery. Minor surgery.
I've never heard of that. Okay, have a good night.
Have a good night.
I didn't heard about that service.
No.
No.
Do you never met anyone with implants?
No.
I have it right in my forehead. I got it done recently.
Okay.
Yeah.
No idea, sorry.
No. So how am I? That's the only way I can pay now. I pay through my implants. That's how I pay.
Probably have to try it now.
No.
I think it's interactive.
You want to try the top? I'm gonna use my head and pay. Okay. Do you have a manager or?
Yeah, I'm the supervisor.
Oh, you're the. But you never heard of this?
No.
You should know. Try it. Okay. Let me see. I'm hoping it's gonna work because I recently got it done.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, you have your. I watched TikTok. You have your card in your mask.
You've been pranked.
You do have your card in your mask. No, you know what? I can see the double. That's pretty cool. I did actually have a guy who had one inside of his wrist though.
Really?
And he showed me the scar and he tapped his wrist with no watch on.
When?
Like, you know, like how you can get a watch?
Yeah.
I was working at Shoppers and it was about a year and a half ago.
There's a guy in Toronto that does
Yeah, you put an incision in your wrist, you insert a memory card or something into your wrist, and he literally had no watch on. You know, like how you touch a watch?
Yeah.
He literally just tapped his wrist and it worked.
it. You can put your,
Wow.
you
I
can
was a
program it for the keys for your car.
I was a little bit, I was
motorcycle.
thrown off by it, but I was Hey, I've never heard of it in this though.
Well, maybe just wear one mask and debit card here. She got two masks on there, just try a debit card in there. So that's why it's not working right.
When was the working?
It's not online.
Is
Oh,
that,
it's on online? Something in the dollar?
Hmm?
In the dollar?
Oh,
The man.
Indian man?
Yeah.
Yeah, see what they do. It's too popular.
You guys, I have an implant in my head. And I want to pay. You guys have that set up yet? It's a new type of service.
Oh yeah?
Are you the manager? I need your help though. Do you know how to?
Yeah, that's perfect.
Okay. And then, so the implant is somewhere here now. Do you know how to hold it? Maybe you can try helping. Yeah, it's like interact. Maybe she doesn't know, but maybe you know.
Yeah, if it's attached, then you can try it here now on that terminal.
Okay.
Yep.
It works.
I think it works.
That works.
Yeah.
That's wild.
Yeah.
Alright guys, so we came to the end of our video. We're back. How did you enjoy that?
That was fun.
Yeah, it was really fun. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please go ahead and comment down below. I want you guys to spam the comment section. Let me know which one did you like the most.
Yes, and tell us about these people because some of them were really.
Yeah, kind of like cold. But if you enjoyed this video, show Shares and Mentor some love. Go ahead and share this video
Share.
and help us get to our goals for 2021. I love you guys. Bye.